day trip out to what they call the Turkish Maldives. One. Woo! Go. 2, 1. Oh my god. Was that good? You okay? Why should we do that angle? 2, 1, go! Well done.
Dad, why are you crouching? I'm going to do a roller collar.
Right, go on then, Delilah. No fear, skill. Woohoo! Crazy girl. David, that's not funny. Lila!
Bye!
Look at that sea. It's so blue.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know.
I got the power and I just believe.
Whatever we would do, we do it just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. I wanna say forever.
Right over there. Rolling on the neck for a little hole.
Okay. Promise. Got it, my goggles on, thickness. I'm gonna film me.
Want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
It is the 1st of September today, and we're here in beautiful Turkey. I'm gonna go and sit out in the balcony for a second because it's lovely and warm.
Home in Turkey. I got
Oh, air-conned room to this lovely, lovely warm weather. So I just sat down. Honestly, this feels beautiful out here. Excuse all of the towels behind me that are obviously drying from today, but I just wanted to kind of quickly have a chit chat about our day. We went to SULUADA. Don't come for me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I will write it here. SULUADA Island. So it's like the Turkey Maldives. We did a boat trip and the journey was about an hour from our hotel. We then hopped on the boat and it took us to like 3 islands. We went to American Bay first and then we went to SULUADA Island, like the two parts of it, and it was just such a gorgeous day. The water there, I can see why they call it the Turkish Maldives. The water is just pure blue. It was so good, and we even went exploring in some caves, which was a bit traumatic for me. It was really fun and beautiful, but like we were like speaking to a couple of people there, and there was this guy and he was like, oh, you can get through, because I was like, I can't get through this gap, and he said, yeah, you can get through. I had to swim underneath to get to the other side. It was a really small like section underneath the water, but I then started to panic while I was under the water, and honestly like felt like I was stuck. So then Dave was like pulling me through. Delilah didn't go that way, she walked over, but it was so much easier to just swim round, go back out the cave and swim round, and I wish I would have just done that, because I did it anyway. I did it. The girls loved it as well. Yeah, it was just like we all just had the best day. It was a full day thing, so we left here at 8:45 and we arrived home about 4:30 at the hotel. I mean, just getting ready now, gonna go and get some dinner, because we didn't really, well, we could have gone to the pool, but I just thought just get like ready and dressed for the evening, because we're hungry as well. We did get lunch on the boat, but it wasn't loads and loads, but we didn't get snacks. We didn't really bring any snacks. I bought a few pretzel sticks that were in the minibar here, but that was about it, to be honest. So we're all super hungry, all ready. I always like part dry my hair because it's just too hot, isn't it? Most of it's dried now anyway, and I've put it up, and I've put it half up, half down, because it just sticks to you. Like, I love getting ready on holiday. I love the fact that like I don't really need to put much makeup on. I've got my eyelashes done, just a little bit of highlighter, a bit of lip balm. I'm good to go. Just need to do something with my hair, because otherwise it just melts off my face and then the hair gets stuck to me, so can't win. But yeah, highly recommend the SULUADA Island boat trip if you are coming to this area. So if you're in the Antalya area, because we are in Kemer in Antalya, and highly recommend. There were so many other trips I wanted to do. I might do one more, I'm not 100% sure, but I just think it's a little bit far away. So a lot of the other ones I wanted to do are in like Antalya, like I'm guessing like the main part of Antalya. which is about an hour and a half away, so it just takes a lot of your time. So I don't know, we might do, but yeah, absolutely love today. I obviously would have already shared the clips with you guys, but yeah, we love a boat trip. We love swimming in the sea, for the most part. I mean, apart from obviously like getting in your eyes or in your mouth. And oh my gosh, the girls jumping off the boat, like we're all pretty much like, we always love like jumping off the boat and into the sea. I didn't this time, to be honest. I usually do, but I just wasn't feeling it today. I was like, no, I'm gonna swim. But I was not expecting Delilah to jump off that boat. My heart nearly fell out my mouth. I was like, you can't jump. And she's like, why? And I said, because it's too high. And she said, no, it's not. And then she was looking at other like smaller kids doing it. So I was like, are you sure? And she's like, yeah. Straight off, like no hesitation, just jumped straight off the boat. Absolutely crazy lady. But she loved it, absolutely loved it. She got a little bit scared in the caves. As a whole, like, she loved it. We all did. We all loved it. I'm going to finish off getting ready now. Like I've said, I'm going to get some yummy food. The girls as well are loving that. You can get like chocolate milk, strawberry milk, banana milk, milkshakes basically in the cartons. It is lovely. Even I've had some, to be honest. They're so nice, especially like in the evening. I'll bring one in my bag and put it in the fridge in the room. I'll have it when we are chilling before we go to sleep. So nice, so yummy. Food last night was good. There was no theme, I don't think, last night. There was plenty to choose from. I obsess over the mash here. The potato mash is gorgeous, but there's always a huge queue for that and the chips. So I'll see what tonight brings if I can. It's always really hectic, which is why I don't film like the buffet section. If I can film what I've got on my plate, I will, but mine never looks that great. I'm quite picky anyway. So I'll just share with you what I can. On that note, I have no idea when, oh, do you want to see my view? Do you want to see my view actually? Let's show you the view from our bedroom. I think I already have, but it smells nice. Sun setting over there. I don't know where David is. He went for a beer. Delilah, is Dad back?
No.
You okay there? David said, how long are you going to be? I was like 5-10 minutes. He said, okay, then I'm going to pop to the pool bar, or the bar, even not the pool bar, the main one for cocktails, get a beer, and I'll be back up. So I'll see you in a minute. He's been gone ages. Hasn't he been gone ages? Babe, he's been gone ages, hasn't he? Yeah. I don't know where he is. Oh, not back yet. This is the walkway to our room. That's what it looks like. I'll tell you something funny actually, because they do all look the same, the walkways. Delilah, what did we do last night when we were coming to the toilet with Layla? What did we do?
We went in the wrong hotel.
Not the wrong hotel, the wrong room,
Yes.
didn't we? So we were silly, and because it all looks the same, I don't even know why, because we never go in that way, but we went in a walkway, went to the rooms, I have no idea why, we didn't even check the numbers on the door, and we were like scanning the cards, and I was like, oh no, we put it by the phone again, because earlier that day we'd put it by the phone, so we had to go and scan the cards again in reception so that they'd work. I couldn't believe it. Like, David came, so I said, oh, they're not working. David came, checked them, and he said, I can't find the room. And I said, what do you mean? It's just there. I looked at the door number and went, it's not just there, we're in the wrong room.
And we did it again today.
And we did it again today. Well, we didn't scan the wrong, we came up the wrong walkway, but that was from reception, so that was slightly different, but it all looks the same. I don't know why we did it last night though, because we never ever go through that, like, that walkway anyway. But yeah, I mean, most people probably wouldn't do this, to be honest. Just us being silly billies, isn't it?
We didn't get enough sleep, so we would have not done everything.
Is that the door? I think it is. See if... No. Don't know where he is. At this point, I'm hungry. Should we just go without him? Yeah.
I know. It was the boat trip.
Yeah, you loved it, didn't you?
We went swimming in the sea. That was fun. We went hiking. No,
Hiking?
no, we
We
didn't go
definitely
hiking.
didn't do any hiking today.
We didn't go hiking. We didn't go hiking.
Yeah. Let's show them your pretty, pretty hair. Mummy got some pretty clips for Delilah and she's picked the colours that she wants in her hair today. So we've got orange, pink and yellow. Oh, here he is. An hour later.
What do you mean?
Been ages.
You sat down there waiting.
Oh, what? We were meant to meet you?
I didn't know you'd be ready now. Come on, Em.
Oh, let's go get din-dins.
Sit and have a drink.
Pretty girl. Pretty, pretty. Down the street, pretty woman. Pretty, pretty girl. Woo! Here's the other pretty girl. Oh, you look gorgeous. The prettiest girl. All on their phones.
Just check the message.
Oh, look at the little turtle. Look, its head, it's poking out. Did you see that? Oh, its head poked out then. It's coming over. Look, with the fishies. Fishies and...
It's fast.
It is. Speedy little turtle. That's cute, isn't it?
Is it coming?
It's swimming, isn't it? Oh, look at its little head.
Turtle. Turtle, come here.
So nice. So Lily got Italian night tonight. Got pizza. What's these? What have you got?
I got
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
And she got
Your plate doesn't look as appetizer now. You've been munching on it. Nom 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 nom. That's pizzas. Delilah's on the pizzas now. They good? Oh, look at these pud pods with her watermelon. Oh, puddings that we're sharing. Then, this chocolate brownie. Is that good? Chocolate brownie's nice. Hello, my pretty girl. Hello, my pretty dancer.
I'm going to the toilet.
Yeah.